So to installing a package, we have to use the command rpm-ivh, then package name. I stands for install, V means verbose, that means display detailed processing information on your screen, and where IH means that is hash. So whenever I will use the command rpm-ivh telnet, in this case I am trying to install the telnet package. So what is the use of I? I means it will install the package telnet. Then V means verbose, that means this will display the messages in the screen. For hash, H means hash, that is this hash. This will show the percentage of completion using the symbol hash. So this is the meaning of IVH. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Upgrading a package. Upgrading a package. rpm-uvh package name. That means U stand for upgrade, and that is the, please remember, this is the capital U. To erase a package, rpm-e, then package name. E stands to erase a package. The command will be rpm-e, then telnet. This is the package name. We need to mention here. Then only it will delete the package or remove the package. To querying and verifying a package, rpm-qi package name. What I am trying here, rpm minus qi, then package name, that means telnet. I want to see the detailed information about the telnet package. You can see name is telnet, and this is the 64-bit version, and this is the rpm package telnet -0-17-73. This is the version. So if you want to verify a package, that means it is installed or not installed, in that case we have to use the command rpm-qi. Q means query, I means install, then package name. You can see same it is showing, that means this package is installed. So if you want to remove this package, the command will be rpm-e package name. So this is the package name, rpm-e, then package name. Yes, you can see command completed, and no message here because I have just only used the E option. I have not used the V and H option. That's why no display messages are here. Only that package is removed. Now please check if the package is installed on. You can see package telnet is not installed. If you analyze the package, you can see no messages coming. That means telnet package removed from the system. Okay. So if I want to install this telnet package again, what I have to do? This is the Red Hat system. So how can you check the version of the server? Please remember this one, cat/etc os-release. This is the command to check the operating system version. You can see detailed information coming here. This is the name is Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and version is 8.0. You can see this is the RHL 8.0 version operating system installed. So in case of RHL, I have already told you you cannot get the packages from the Red Hat. In case of CentOS, we can get the packages from the CentOS repository, but in case of Red Hat, we have to upload the packages manually and install, else we have to configure the repository from our side. So what is the repository? Repository is the location from where we will get the packages. That means we have to upload all the packages to a single directory, and we have to configure the yum repository. Using the yum repository, we have to configure the package or install the packages. So now we are installing a single package, and we will upload the package and we will try to install. This is the FileZilla tool. I have already told you, this is the tool through which we can upload the packages to the server. Using the host name, that means this is the IP address. Here we will give the username, here we will root, and port will be 22. Because using the port 22, the FTP client will be connected to the server. Here you can navigate to the folder where the package is in your desktop. That means I am just connected to the ISO folder, then RHL DVD, then upstream, then packages, then search for the Telnet package. You can see this is the Telnet package. Telnet happen 17 happen 73. You can see Telnet happen 17 happen 73. This is the package. So we will upload this package to the server. Where we will upload? I have already told you in previous classes. Whenever we will connect to the server, it will land to the user's home directory. As I am connected to the server root user, now I am in the home directory of a root user. That is the /root. So whenever I will upload the file, that file will be uploaded to the /root directory. So now we are in /root. You can see Telnet package is uploaded to the server. So now we will try to install RPM IVH. I means install, V means verbose, S means hash, then the package name. You can see the package installed successfully. So then now you can query the package. You can see RPM-QA Telnet. That means this package is installed. You can see using the RPM-QI Telnet, you can see the detail about the Telnet package information. So likewise, you can upload a package and install a package. But let me say you, in Linux system, some packages are independent, likewise Telnet. No dependent packages required for the Telnet, but some cases, many dependent packages are required. So in that case, we have to configure the yum repository and we have to install the packages from the yum repository. Till now, any doubt anyone have?
FileZilla କେମିତି କଣ କରିଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ।
Okay, let me close this one. I have just opened the FileZilla. Here I will put the server address, that means IP address. How you will check the IP address? I have already previously told you. To check the IP address, we have to use the command IPA. IP is the command to check the IP address. Here you can see this is the IP address of the server, where ENS 160, in the port ENS 160 IP address is configured. IP address is this one. Okay, copy the IP address, then in host case paste the IP address, then any user, you can use any user here, then password, then port 22. That means using the port 22, the FTP client, FileZilla client will be connected to the server. Then press enter. It will successfully connected to the server with the user root. Okay, where that will be land me to the /root's home directory, that is /root. Is it clear? Now from left side, here you can see there is two sections. One is left side, another is right side. Left side is my desktop's content and my right side is the server's contents. So if I want to upload a package or anything from my desktop, from left side I will click on the any file, then upload. It will upload the file to the server. And from the right side, right click on the directory, then download. It will download the file or any file from the server to my desktop. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till now we have completed how to install packages manually uploading to the server. So now we will learn how to set up a local yum repository. I have already told you yum is the central location from where we can install packages. Because in case of Linux, some dependent packages are required for a package, another package. To resolve that issue, we will use the yum repository. In this case, we will use the DVD. That means what is the requirement actually? What we will do a central location. Here we will upload all packages. Then we will configure a yum repository. We will configure a yum repository, and using the yum repository, we will install the packages. So what we will do? We will upload the packages from the DVD. Let me show you. This is the RHL DVD ISO image. I have already in the previous classes, I have already told you how to download the DVDs from the internet. Using that link, you can download the RHL or CentOS DVD according to requirement from the internet. And this is the ISO image. Whenever you will extract this ISO image, you will get like this. Now, here you can see this is a upstream and this is base OS. In case of upstream, you will get the all packages. And in base OS also, there are some packages. What we will do, we will attach the DVD. That means we will attach the ISO image to the Linux server. Then copy the files. Because in case of FileZilla also, we can transfer the packages. But it is little bit, it will take time because it will try to upload all the packages one by one. But if you will attach this DVD to the RHL server, we can get directly all the packages in the server, and there we will copy the packages from the DVD to a location. So how we will attach this DVD? Go to the VMware player, then go to the manage, then go to the virtual machine setting. Then here add a device, add a DVD or CD or DVD drive, then finish. Then use the both options, that means connected and connected power on. Select these both options and here browse the location of the DVD or the ISO image. Then click OK. Then only this DVD will be show in the server. Again, you can also check here removable device, CD and DVD. Here it is showing disconnect. That means the DVD is connected. Okay. So in how we will check in the server the DVD is connected or not connected? Here you have to use the command blkid. Please remember this one, blkid. Here you can see /db/sr0. It is RHCL 8.0 base OS x86 64-bit. You can see the db/sr0 is the location where RHL DVD is mounted. Again, next step is we have to mount the RHL DVD. Please remember this command. First, we have to create a directory. You can see df-h here. DVD is not showing. You can see here only root and data. Other things are showing. Other partitions are showing. DVD is not showing. For that, first we have to create the any directory RHL DVD. In my case, I will create a DVD. Where I will create? You can see in /root I am creating a directory. Okay, the RHL DVD directory is already created. No problem. RHL DVD is created. So let's navigate to RHL DVD. There is no contents. So now what we will do? Again, come back from the RHL DVD. Now mount. Command will be mount /dev then sr0. Please remember, always use the tab key to complete the command. Here in my case, just I have used the tab key to complete. Then /root RHL DVD. Okay, you can see mount RHL DVD warning device write protected mounted read only. That means in read only mode, the DVD is mounted to my server. Now check the mount point using the command df-h. You can see this is mounted. Okay, then go to the RHL DVD. You can see the upstream bases, all packages are here. These packages are now available in the server. I have mounted the DVD into the server and these packages are available in the server. Then copy all packages. What we will do? We will copy the packages from the DVD to a location. First we will create a RHL8 directory. RHL8 is already created. Okay, go to that directory. Check the content. Upstream is already copied. What we will do? We will copy the base OS now. Okay. cp command cp /root RHL DVD base OS. This is the source. Then destination will be /RHL8. Because we are trying to copy multiple files, we have to use the option -R. Till now clear?
-R. So -R means recursive, right?
Yes, that is recursively because it will copy the multiple files. In case of single file, R is not required. Here we are copying multiple files. You can see in base OS there are multiple folders and multiple packages as well. Yes, you can see base was copied here. Then what we will do, we will create a file using the extension .repo. That means in case of a repository file, the extension will be repo. Where we will create? We will create the repo file in /etc yum.repos.d. Please remember the location. All repository files will be located in /etc yum.repos.d. /etc yum.repos.d. Always please use the tab key to complete the command. Now you can see here two repository files are there. One is Red Hat repo, another is RHL repo. Okay. We will create another file, or we can also add the repository in the same file. You can see previously upstream repository is configured using the upstream directory. Now what we will do, we will configure the base OS repository. Okay. Please copy all the parameters, then use vi command to edit the file RHL repo. Go to end, then use the insert key to activate the insert mode, then right click to paste. What will do? Just we have to change the upstream to base OS. Please remember the header and the name, it should be always different for all repository, because this is a one repository, this is another repository I am trying to add. So the header and the name, it always should be changed. That means it should be always unique. I have changed the header and the name. Then the path will be base URL. This is the path. Please, in case of packages from the folder, we have to use the parameter file : // Please remember this one, file : // then RHL DVD. In my case, it is in /root then /RHL DVD. Then here we have to change the base OS. Then the GPG key file location is /etc pki rpm gpg. Okay, so let me tell you about all the parameters. This first one is the header, then this is the name, that means this is the repository name. This is the metadata expiry, that means the metadata will be never it will be expiry. Then GPG key is 1 means it will enable the GPG key to check whenever it will try to install a package from the yum repository. Every time it will check the GPG key of that package if it is downloaded from the trusted source. Then enable means it will enable the repository, because whenever we will use the yum command, if this option is 0, it will skip this repository. In my case, this repository enable is equal to 1, that means this repository is enabled. Here you can see, here we have configured two repositories. One is upstream repo, another is base OS repo. Two repositories are configured here. One thing we can also do, we can also configure the two repositories separate files, separate individual files. In my case, I have configured two repositories in a single file. Okay. So then base URL is the location of the files, location of the packages. Then GPG key is the key file through which it will check the packages. It will validate the packages if it is downloaded from the trusted source. Then save the file using the write and queue, that means W and Q, it is a write and quit. Now what we will do, we will clean the yum repository using the yum clean clean all. Please remember the command yum cleaner. Now yum repo list. It will show the it is a single command yum repo list, single word. You can see upstream repo, base repo. Both repo are coming now. That means we have configured two repository manually in the server. Okay. So if we'll try to install a package through yum list telnet. You can see installed package telnet and @system. That means it is already pre-installed in the server, and telnet package is not available in any repository. Now it is checking upstream repo, and packages are not available in any repository. So previously, where we have founded that package? Telnet package is available in upstream. So fail to synchronize the cache of repository. Okay, please check the repo file. RHL DVD upstream. You can see in RHL DVD upstream folder is not upstream directory is not available. That's why upstream repository is not working. You can see in RHL DVD nothing is there. That means upstream repository is not available. API/etc yum.repos.d, then RHL repo. You can see the base URL is the RHL DVD upstream, but upstream directory is not available. That's why upstream repository is not working. So what we will do? We will copy the upstream repository to the RHL DVD location. So cp-r/root RHL DVD, then upstream slash okay. So you can directly change the location /root root RHL DVD upstream. Save the file. You can see root RHL DVD, it is already mounted, so you can directly use the location, else you can also copy the file. Now yum cleaner, then check the yum repo list. You can see upstream repo, that is 41 MB, and base OS, this is the 1.9. Previously you can check whenever you have checked the yum repo list, here upstream repo is 0. That means repository not work. So now repository working. it is displaying the information about the both repository, upstream repo and base OS repo. So now yum, take the yum list telnet. You can see no error is here, and it is showing the telnet package is pre-installed. So now we will remove the package. Yum remove press Y here. Again take yum list telnet. Now you can see available package. Where it is available? Now it is available in DVD upstream. Then if you want to again install, yum install, then the package name. Copy and paste here. Press Y. From DVD upstream, the package is installing from our repository. This is the repository. Press Y here. Press Y here. Install completed. Again check yum list telnet. You can see the package installed from where? From DVD upstream. Through repository, the telnet package is installed. So this is the method using through repository you can install the packages. So we have learned how to install packages individually from uploading the package and from the yum repository. Then another important command, create repo. Create repo command means it will create the repository file. That means let me show you. You can see we have copied the upstream and base OS both directory. Go to the any directory, upstream directory. Here you can see one repo data directory is created here. Go to the repo data. You can see all repo files are created here and the extensions are the XML. Whenever you will upload the package without the repo data, at that time we have to create the repo data manually, and the command will be create repo. In that case, navigate to the directory where all packages are located, then use the command create repo. It will create the repository files, and using these files yum will try to install the packages. This is also very important command, create repo. So we have learned how to install packages. Now, if we want to update all the packages of the server, we have to use the command yum update. Using the yum update command, we can update the packages, which packages are required for a update. Because here we have configured the DVD upstream. That means we have copied the RHL DVD to the server and configured the repository. That's why it is not getting the digital packages. For example, we will use the central location, that means repository from the RHL or the CentOS. At that time, you will get the list of packages to update. So using the command yum update, we can update all packages through the central repository. And -y, that means it will not ask the confirmation here. Here it is asking me the confirmation. If I will use the yum update -y, it will not ask me the confirmation. It will directly install the package. Press no here. then check yum is update -y. You can see it not asking me confirmation, my confirmation. It asks it install the packages directly. So this is the difference between -y and yum update. So today we have completed installing, upgrading, and removing packages manually and set up local yum or DNF. So let me tell you, yum is the command through which you can install the packages, and DNF is also the same command, but DNF is introduced from RHL 7 onwards. So in case of yum, we can also use the DNF command, DNF list all. Command is same. DNF and yum both are same, but from RHL 7, DNF command is introduced. So any doubt? Please ask me. Anyone having any doubt?
So please upload today's video.
Yeah, I will upload. I will upload the videos, today's videos as well. Okay, any other doubt? Anyone having any other doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, friends. We
Thank you,
will
sir.
end the session,
Thank you, sir.
and I will upload the PPT and the recorded video also. Thank you all.